So we had almost 30 participants with us. I hope within 5 minutes, few more will be joining. So before that, welcome all of you for the session of today. Thank you so much that on Sunday 4 p.m. you had made your time to be there in the session. So welcome Ambika Bhatia ma'am for the session.
Thank you,
Ma'am, your
Monica.
voice is, yeah. So giving a brief description about Ambika ma'am. Ambika Bhatia Chopra ma'am is an alma mater of the Department of Mathematics, Merinda House, Delhi University. Award winner of Innovative Educator, has been working as a faculty for mathematics, statistics, operation research, production and operation management, business analytics, and supply chain management in gyms for approximate 15 years. A passionate UGC net qualified person for learning and sharing knowledge, is pursuing her PhD in mathematics in lean supply chain of healthcare with Six Sigma. Also has MPhil in mathematics, master and graduation in mathematics from Merinda House, MBA and postgraduate diploma in operation management with DOIC O-level to her credits. A green belt Six Sigma from the prestigious Indian Statistical Institute, New Delhi, has developed skills in software like SPSS, for which she conducts workshop for MBA students. She also has various research articles and publications in journals of repute. Ms. Ambika has been a knowledge motivator for students of MBA, MCA, and undergraduate students. She had been associated as a mentor to international students of Stanford University at Yale. She was also associated with Inkpot Solution as the content developer for various subjects for undergraduate students. She is also a team builder for various multidisciplinary events as cultural festivals, seminars, workshops, and guest lecture. She is a keen believer of the promotion of quality education and the career development of the students. Welcome, Ambika ma'am, for the session.
Thank you so much, Monica, for these kind words. And thank you all for joining us for this session. I request you all to please switch on your cameras for a minute so that I can see to whom I am interacting with.
Yes, please switch
I'll
on
be very
your camera. We all of you us know that we all are in the lockdown and even at our comfortable place at home. Wow, great Kiran sir. Rimi ma'am, that's great. Again, happy to see you. Vivekanand sir, we want you. I hope आपका थोड़ा dark screen आ रहा है. Please make it clear. Vijay sir, your screen is also coming dark at the backdrop. Yes, Deepa ma'am, that's great. With a lovely smile in the Sunday evening. Wow, Suchitra ma'am. Viva ma'am, we all are there in the lockdown sitting at home. So please, that's great Vishal sir. Ajay Singh sir, we want you also to be there with us. Mrinalini ma'am, that's great. Aisha ma'am, Chandan sir. That's great Megha ma'am. Yes, Viva ma'am is ready now for us. Yes, Chandan sir, that's great. Bindya ma'am, we want also you to be the part. Sajita ma'am, that's great. Prabhat sir, Altaf sir, Nazreen ma'am. Anita ma'am, you were there with us in the camera. Kiran sir, वापस आ जाइए. You are looking good. For a selfie wala click. Vishal sir will always be in a smiling mode. Thank you, Sashikala ma'am. Anita ma'am, please be there with us. Aisha ma'am. Yes, let's have a selfie wala click and then that's great, Sashikala ma'am. Let me to have a click. Anita ma'am, smiling face, please. Yes, yes, Anita ma'am, that's good. Nadia ma'am is in a good pose, just in a selfie mode. Thank you, Sajida ma'am. Suchitra ma'am, please be there with us. That's great. Yes. Thank you, Chandan sir. That's great. So starting with today's session, handing over the session to Ambika ma'am, just giving a brief description about today's session. Today we are going to have Ambika ma'am who will be taking the workshop on effective teaching for mathematics, statistics and operations using ICT tools. What the problem we all are facing during the lockdown, taking the virtual classes, how to describe the students about the statistics and mathematics in a more creative way. So we are having with us Ambika ma'am who will be helping us. So it's a request to each one of you if we can all be as a student and whatever the queries we are having, or we can take it as a teamwork. So whatever the query we are having, if you can just put it in the chat box, it will be easy to solve it simultaneously. So over to you, Ambika ma'am.
Thank you, Monica ma'am, and a very good evening again. I can see Pan India participation, so very thankful to all of you. And thank you, Monica, for clearing that we all are actually at the learning stage. So I'll be very happy if you can just help me out a bit. I hope you can see the screen. Is the screen visible? Can anyone please unmute themselves and tell me if you can just see the screen? Okay, so we are getting, yes, yes, yes. So I request you all to just open a website by the name menti.com. Menti.com, MENTI. I'll just write in the chat box for all of you also. It's menti.com. Menti.com. And in that, please write the code 9864998. Okay. Have you started? Can you see some question over there? Vijaya ma'am, can you please unmute yourself? The code is there on the screen also. 9864998. You open the website, Anita ma'am. It's menti.com. Vijaya ma'am, can you just open? Have you see the screen in menti.com? No. Okay, I'll just wait, ma'am. विजय मैम आप अनम्यूटेड हैं. Okay. Anita ma'am. Yes. We have got one participant who has responded. I request you all to please respond to the same. You can get two options. You have to fill two options over there. We can have more answers. Can you see that? The beauty that's coming to us? It's there on my screen. I'm getting the answers like learn ICT tools. I accept to learn SPSS. Ma'am, SPSS is not possible in 1 hour. Learning ICT tools, statistics, class creativity, methodology. Okay. Can we have more answers? Anything specific? The link is menti.com, menti.com. It's there on my screen. MENTI, not double E. As you can see my screen, a lot of responses are coming. Tools, statistical class creativity. Hello, oh, you hello also. We can have it, Nadia ma'am, no worries. We can have on SPSS also. But this time we have, for the current session, I am dealing with only the ICT part. Let's make it more happening for our students also. Can I have more participation, because I've got only 15 people have responded. Okay, we are getting statistics methodology, statistical tools, statistical class creativity, effective way of teaching, experiential teaching, wow. Effective statistics methodology, excellent. 17 people have responded. Can you see the screen in front of you? It's clearly there. You can see this, word response sheet is there in front of you. And if you see the downside on the right, you can also see the number of participants who have responded. 18 people have responded. I expect all my participants to respond. And I will be very happy if you all can just respond me. Yes? So this is one of the ways you can make it. This is one of the tools. When you teach something, you want a response from the student and you want them to reply. And you can just tell them that this is how you're responding. Learning today topic easy. Okay, we'll make sure. DIY. Okay, DIY also. What more? Can we have more people? Can we have more people, please, responding? Anita ma'am, please, आप menti.com पे लिखें. More on OR. I've got response. अंकिता प्लीज आप अंकिता मैम प्लीज आप menti.com पे लिखें, वो आपको बहुत अच्छे समझ आएगा. You will be able to visualize what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Great. Thank you. We have got 50 people have 50% have responded. Can we have some more? Or shall I stop it? चंदन जी प्लीज आप लिखें वहां पर. Great. I'm getting good responses now. Thank you. So as I can see that more, और अगर आप इस screen को देखें, the ICT tools is coming out more prominently. So that means people are really interested to know on ICT tools, right? So जितना छोटा आपका terminology आएगा, it means that less and less people are interested or less and people are responding. So we mathematicians not only use, I'll also tell you how to use it. Yes, Vishal sir, I will also tell you how to use it. Don't worry. Thank you. So I'm just stopping this sharing. So I hope you all can visualize what we have done. Anita ma'am, Anita Handa ma'am, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just making.
Yes, ma'am.
Anita ma'am, आप कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Kuwait.
Kuwait. Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you ma'am for joining us.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
आपने visualize किया. आप ma'am आप क्या पढ़ाते हैं? What subjects do you take?
Mathematics.
Great ma'am. So ma'am आप undergraduate school level कहाँ पढ़ाते हैं आप?
5th, 6th.
5th, 6th, great. तो आपको definitely दिक्कत आई होगी इस lockdown और उन सब duration के time पे. Definitely.
Everyone is facing the same. Everyone in the same boat.
We all are, yes ma'am, we all are sailing in the same boat. And you know what, getting responses from the students for certain questions is not easy, right?
Yes,
so this is one of the tools that was required, and I wanted to show you all. And this is one of my favorite tools actually. So what all you have to do is, I'm just sharing my screen so that you can see that how to use this tool also.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
I request you all to please type in the Google mentimeter.com, mentimeter.com, or you can simply write, I'll just share my screen so that you can see that. Can you see? All of you can see this? Mentimeter. Mentimeter. क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ मेंटी पे जाएंगे तो आप सीधा स्क्रीन पे पहुंचेंगे रिस्पॉन्स शीट पे. बट वेन एवर आई हैव टू गो फॉर माई पर्सनल थिंग, अगर मुझे कुछ प्रेजेंट करना है, आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ लॉग इन. सो द फर्स्ट टूल इज you go to Mentimeter. You write in the Google simply Mentimeter. And in Mentimeter, go to login. Mentimeter.com, go to login. This kind of a page will be open. I hope you can see that. You all can see this. In this, you have to create a login. अगर आपके पास लॉगिन है तो आप लॉगिन बनाइए, अदरवाइज नीचे है साइन अप नाउ. इट्स फ्री. इनिशियली इट्स फ्री. एडवांस वर्जन पेड है, बाकी इनिशियली फ्री है फॉर द बेसिक रिस्पॉन्स शीट्स. सो आई राइट माई ईमेल आईडी एंड आई राइट माई पासवर्ड हेयर. And I simply log in. I repeat all the steps again. My first step is go to Mentimeter.com. Mentimeter.com. Create a login over there. And once you create a login, since I already have a login sign up बहुत आसान है. And once you see, you'll get this my presentation. Okay. This my presentation part, you can go for new presentation. If I go for something like this, new presentation, right? I call this, let's say I call this as ICT tools. I go for ICT tools and I say create presentation. Okay. So once I create a presentation, a sheet will be opened. I hope it's visible to all of you. ये जो हमारे सामने आ रहा है, होम पे लिखा हुआ आ रहा है ICT tools, ये बेसिकली मेरा एक शीट क्रिएट हो गई है so that I can create my slides. And as you can see on the right hand side, you all can do a wonderful word. You can have a question like multiple choice questions are also possible. You can create a word cloud. You can go for an open-ended question. You can even go for scaling, ranking, question answer. You know, a lot of things can be done here. Advanced options, you can give them a scoring also. So this particular Mentimeter or menti.com can also be used for your quizzes also to make it more interactive. आप उनसे जो आप गूगल फॉर्म में क्वेश्चंस बनाते हैं, वो ना बनाकर आप इस फॉर्म में उन्हें शेयर कर सकते हैं लाइव क्लासरूम में. तो दैट कैन बी रियली हेल्पफुल टू यू. आई हैव वन मोर टूल आल्सो फॉर यू. एक टूल मैं आप लोगों को और सिखाऊंगी बाद में. And let me, supposing if I want to create multiple choice. Okay, I want to create a multiple choice question. Now I can write a multiple choice like, yes, somebody is saying something? Okay. So, अगर मुझे multiple choice question में डालना है, let's say a simple question is there. I want to write, how do you like the FDP? Or I can have a more important questions also. I say option 1 is good, bad, average. Or I can go the sequencing otherwise also. Good, average, or bad. I can give more options also. I can go for 5 Likert scale also. I can go for a 2 Likert scale also. I can go for many scales. And after that, रिजल्ट मुझे कैसा चाहिए? मुझे बार्स फॉर्म में चाहिए, मुझे डोनट फॉर्म में चाहिए, मुझे पाई चार्ट में चाहिए, मुझे डॉट्स में चाहिए. I can do assessment in whatever way I want to. Okay? So this is the beauty of it. आपको कोई एक्सेल फॉर्मेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. You'll get over there, right? Just a second. मोनिका मैम, मिस्टर फुंसो को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, प्लीज आप हेल्प करें. ओके, फुंसो सर आप लॉगिन क्रिएट कीजिए ऑन द अकाउंट ऑफ mentimeter.com. www.mentimeter.com एक न्यू लॉगिन क्रिएट करना है. ओके, mentimeter.com पे आप लॉगिन करें, एक न्यू लॉगिन बनाएं. और साथ में जब आप लॉगिन बनाएंगे तो हमने जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डाला, एंड यू ऑल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दैट वी कैन क्रिएट. अच्छा, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमको मल्टीपल चॉइस में चाहिए. आई कैन क्रिएट दैट, आई कैन चेंज द टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, आई कैन कस्टमाइज इट टू माई वोट, आई कैन क्लोज वोटिंग इफ आई वांट. आई डोंट वांट रिस्पॉन्सेज, आई कैन क्लोज द वोटिंग. सपोजिंग मेरे स्टूडेंट आंसर्स कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं चाहती वो और आंसर दें, आई कैन क्लोज द वोटिंग. I can instructions also, I can change the background of the image just like a simple PowerPoint can be done. I can have the type as my word cloud जैसे मैंने अभी बनाया था, और I can change through an open-ended question. I can go for scaling, I can also go for a ranking, whatever way I want I can do it. So lot of plethora is there. Okay, Mentimeter में सर आप साइन अप कीजिए. अगर आपका लॉगिन क्रिएटेड है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू जस्ट साइन इट अप. अ न्यू लॉगिन विल बी डन एंड गो फॉर अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, उसके बाद वंस यू आर डन विद दिस, आपने जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने मल्टीपल चॉइस बना के क्वेश्चंस छोड़ दिया. नाउ देयर आर 2 ways ऑफ डूइंग इट. जब ये क्वेश्चन मैंने बना दिया, आई वांट टू, और यहाँ पर मैं एक और चीज आई कैन डू वन थिंग, इन स्लाइड्स को मैं डुप्लीकेट भी कर सकती हूँ. अगर आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ये, अगर मैं इसको क्लिक करूं या इसे टच भी करूं तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आता है डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड. आई कैन डुप्लीकेट द स्लाइड ऑल्सो, आई कैन कॉपी द स्लाइड टू अनदर प्लेस ऑल्सो, और आई कैन डिलीट ऑल्सो. आई कैन डिलीट, दैट इज माई पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन, दैट इज माई चॉइस ऑफ डूइंग. वंस आई एम डन विद इट, if I want to have a donut presentation, I can go for donut. If I want a pie chart, I can go for a pie chart. If I want a dot chart, I can go for a dot chart also. There are 2 ways of sharing this with the students. First is share. तो शेयर करने का तरीका है कि मैं इसको पार्टिसिपेशन को ध्यान से देखिए, टॉप राइट हैंड साइड पे ऑप्शन आएगा शेयर. शेयर को आप जब क्लिक करेंगे तो आप इसे फोन से QR कोड से भी कर सकते हैं. यस सर, फुंसो सर आप बिल्कुल सेम आईडी से क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. आप इसको वोटिंग लिंक को शेयर करके कॉपी कर सकते हैं, कोड कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा यू कैन हैव ऑल द 3 ऑप्शंस. द अदर वे ऑफ डूइंग इज यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली प्रेजेंट द वे आई वांट टू. ओके, आई कैन सिंपली प्रेजेंट. इफ यू जस्ट सी दिस, you will have this presentation. जैसे हम स्लाइड को ओपन करते हैं F5 तौर पे, बिल्कुल सेम तरीके से हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पर शो होने लगेगी. तो आप F5 ना करके सिंपली आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा जस्ट सिंपली प्रेजेंट. गो टू द ऑप्शन प्रेजेंट. इट इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, टॉप में ब्लू कलर का बटन आएगा प्रेजेंट. आप प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो प्रेजेंट करके आपका स्क्रीन सबके सामने प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा. आप चाहें तो शेयर भी कर सकते हैं, फोन पे भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, QR कोड से स्कैन कर सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस आते हैं. आपने ये जानना है कि जैसे आपने टॉपिक कराया, उसका आपने रिस्पॉन्स शीट लेना है, आंसर्स का रिस्पॉन्स शीट चाहिए, तो यू कैन हैव अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. आप टाइप में जाकर यहाँ पर अपना क्विज कंपटीशन भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आर आल्सो पॉसिबल. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस इज मल्टीपल चॉइस इज आल्सो देयर. मल्टीपल चॉइस सिलेक्ट, आई कैन गो फॉर मल्टीपल चॉइस आल्सो. सो कहने का मतलब here that we can have lots and lots of things per minute. Okay? Is that okay to all of you? Sure, I'll do in English also. I'll make the communication language as English, whichever is comfortable. So, Mr. Subramaniam, can you please unmute yourself? Mr. Subramaniam. Mr. Subramaniam?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How are you? Mr. Subramaniam? Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. I'm from Tamil Nadu, madam.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I hope you have understood the concept of Mentimeter.com.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay.
Concept clear.
Thank you, sir. And I hope you have learned the tool also.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we can do is we can do with a lot of options are there. We can have more examples also. We can take the themes also if you want. We can change the themes. As you can see, a lot of themes are also there. Import means that I can, but this particular option, I'll tell you how to do the import part. Once you'll go with the import, importing means this is actually possible for the paid version and you have to go for the slides. If I want to change it to Google Slide, if I want to make it to Excel and everything, I can get a result from there. So importing part will be in there. And you can also go for examples like the other options available are there for us. So you can explore that. You can change, a lot of things are available. Okay. So these all are there. Like what we can do is, right? Okay. Then you can also configure. So a lot of things are there. You can go for present space, audience space. So this will be done in the terms of audience. So ideally what we have been doing is the easiest way is you just simply share your screen. Or you can just do it, yeah, quiz is going on, a screen is there, and you just have to go for a polling part. You can just go for that. So you can even go for the polling also, right? So a lot of things are there. You can go for the sharing. You can even change a lot of themes. A lot of sharings are there. So this is one of the tools that I have been using. And when I go to home, let me show you one thing. When I go to home, if you can see this, my net is, it is also there on the app. So you can take it from Google also. This is there on the Play Store also. And once I go to the home part, whatever I have done in the past, it is actually saved for me. It is on auto save mode. I don't need to save it again and again. Okay. So I can go for an ICT tools, whichever tool I want to make. Supposing I want to make a folder for, let's say Anita ma'am wants to create a folder for class 5 students. So she can also create a folder. You can go to create a folder. Aapne folder create kara, you created a folder. And once it is done, you can keep all the data over there. Aap select karke, you can just save it over there. So as you can see, my first presentation slide was made on July 6th. And today I just made a slide 10 minutes ago. You can also make a new presentation. You can go for a new folder and you can also change the color. You can even go for a paid version. But since it is required from our side and we are Indians, we believe in writing with like, yes, exactly. And you know what, Nadia ma'am, the best part is that Google Forms has a restriction on its own. And people are that thinking, oh my God, Google Form, they got bored of it. They want something new, something exciting. So this is one of the tools of Mentimeter. And Google Forms do not have that word cloud. They only have that bar chart or maximum pie chart. So you can have this also. So this is going to, create better audience connectivity with you and students connectivity with you. So this is one of the tool I have discussed. I hope it's clear to all of you. First tool. Next, I hope I'm not going very fast. Chandan sir, I want your response. Just a minute. Chandan sir.
Hello. Yes, it's okay. The pace is good, smooth.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so friends, let me go back to one of a very interesting tool for all the levels, whether it's a school or a college or a statistics or an operations research. Let me go for one more tool now. Chandan sir, you're saying something? Okay.
No, nothing. Carry on.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So let me share one more tool with you all. And this is a very interesting tool for all of you. And this is used for all kind of people, whether we have, whether we have a college student, whether we have a school teacher, everybody can use it. And I'm just sharing with you. It's there in the chat box by the name of easycalculation.com. I have sent you all in the chat box. It is easycalculation.com. It is one of the most easiest, actually. It is actually easy calculation, and you won't believe it is used and usable for everybody, not only for maths people, but also for finance people. A lot of people can also use it. Okay, so let me come to the screen. I hope you can see the screen. You can see even you have age and love calculators also there, but we don't need it. We are maths people. We can also go for standard deviation, rank, and everything. I hope you can see the screen scrolling. And can you see on the right hand side? Can you see that? Okay. Nadia ma'am, shall I share the screen again? I'll share it again. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nadia ma'am? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. So this one is, once you see this, thank you, Subramaniam, sir. When you see on the right hand side, the screen says you have a lot of options. We have algebra, we have calculus, we have charts, we have geometry, we have Vedic maths, we have statistics, a lot of, even we have operations research. So this tool is one of the very most used tools now. And when you see this tool, let me try this matrix calculation. In algebra, I go to matrix calculation. Okay. In this algebra, I go to matrix calculation. There are many options. Let me explore it. My screen is there. My net is a bit slow here. So, okay, it's there. Fine. So, as you can see, matrix multiplication, matrix calculator, decomposition, adjoint, cofactor, determinant, eigenvalues, matrix inverse up to 4x4, Cramer's rule, Gaussian rule, and you can explore more here also. So let me, if I want to say, let me go for a simple example of 2x2 matrix multiplication. I tried this matrix 2x2 multiplication, and let me see what is happening. I want to check. Let me have the matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Can anyone tell me what matrix is this? 1, 0, 0, 1. What matrix is this?
Identity matrix. Identity matrix.
Identity matrix. Right. Great. And we all know that when we multiply this 2x2 matrix, the result with identity is always the same. So let me have a matrix 5, 4, 6, and I'm just taking random numbers, let's say 8. Can you see that without even doing a step, it is giving me the answer? I repeat again. I repeat all the steps again. For all of you, let me repeat it so that you all understand what is happening. Okay. What I have done, I've taken a simple example, 1, 0, 0, 1. And I take a matrix, let's say 5, let's say 4, let's say 7, let's say -5, and you can see the result is there. If I have -5 here, the result will automatically come in that way. So you can have lots of results coming up. Okay. And I can change, a lot of options are there. We can have matrix subtraction, matrix addition. Nadia ma'am, I request you to please refresh the screen if possible. It may be the network issue because I can see everybody is just getting the screen shared. Okay, okay, fine. Let me try some more options. Let me go to another options now. Let me have this adjoint. Let me go for this adjoint matrix. This is one of the examples I'm taking. We have more examples on this tool. So let me go for this matrix adjoint one. It's not only that we can only go for a 2 cross 2 matrix. We can go up to 5 cross 5 matrix. Okay. So let me take a simple 5 cross 5, or let me go for a 3 cross 3 matrix. And you know that square is possible. It's there. Okay. Yes, Prabhat sir, it is going to be helpful for everybody. Anybody who's using this this subject will be useful in that. Let me take 5. Let me take -5. Let me take 9. Let me take 0. Let me take 5. Let me take 6. Let me take 7. Let me take 8. Let me take 9 again. And let me go for calculate. And as you can see, this is within fraction of seconds, I'm getting the adjoint. So people, it is going to be very helpful when you have to go for the practice also. Supposing, let's say, the problem what we guys are facing, that the students are not, they're not able to show the answer, and we have given the answer. Sometimes it is also difficult for us to solve each and every question and share it with them. So what we can do is we can just give a question, solve it with us, and they can just do the practice also. Okay. Let me have more options. Let me go for derivative calculator. On the right hand side, we have derivative calculator also. Okay. We can have inverse derivative. We can have integration is also there. A lot of options are there. We also have statistics. I'll show you the statistics also. Supposing people want to know the derivative. Let me take a function. Let me take exponential e ki power x. Power function typing, we need that power symbol, which is above 6, shift and that. E ki power x into, let me take 2x. Okay. Or I can also write 2x e ki power x, whichever way you want to. 2x e ki power x. If I calculate the derivative of it, I go for calculate, and as you can see, the result is there. Okay. So if I just say this way and I write the calculate part, the answer is there. The answer is 2x e ki power x, right? So if I change it to, let's say, e power x, let me just clear it and let me have one more example. Let me have e power x into log x. Let me have this. Okay. And you just calculate. Can you see the result immediately coming? It's E, right? So we can get a lot of results. Let me show you for statistics also. We can also go for differentiation. You can see this mean median mode. I have just clicked the tab of statistics. I'll do it, ma'am. Statistics part, that means let me try for this. You can just look, options are there. Harmonic mean, standard error is there, class interval is there, population variation is there. You can also try for this correlation coefficient. You can also go for a rank correlation. You can also go for a binomial distribution method. Okay, so let me just try for the first one. Let me go for a mean median mode. Okay, so let me have the data like this: 23, 35, 56, 40, 50, let me take 45, 89, let's say 90, and I go for calculate. And you can see that within fraction of seconds, instead of I'm just getting all the results, there are total number of observations are 6, average is 56.33, median is 50.5, We do not have a mode in this set and the range is 67. Okay, as per the Cs, it is not identifying any mode. Okay, so we can go for more options. Let me try this. Let me have 101 and let me say 0. Let me take 89 again. Let me take 95 and let's check if we can just redo it. And as you can see, more observations are coming. Okay. There was no mode earlier because mode means the number which is repeating maximum number of times. Okay. In this, I can see that 89 is repeating twice. It is the only number which is repeating twice. So you can see that students can get ascending order. We can get here. Okay. So this option is also there. Okay. Let me go for another option to make it more advanced level for all of you. Let me go for a correlation coefficient. Let me go for the correlation coefficient. My X value is given. Let me type X as 89 and I can add more value as let's say 98. Let me take 23. I can add more. Let me take this is 56. This is 23. I add more value. Let's say 25. Or let me take 56. Let me take 53. Let me take 13, let me take 45, and let me take 89. Okay, and I go to calculate. And as you can see, the total number of observations is 5, right? And the value obtained is minus 0.19. Can anyone tell me the interpretation of this? Can anyone tell me the interpretation? What is the interpretation of 0.19?
Negative correlation, ma'am.
Correlation
Correlation.
19%.
It is low correlation.
Yeah.
Correlation is less. Yes.
Low
You
correlation.
do not have to calculate.
Significant.
Yes, exactly. And as you can see that with low correlation, it is highly low negative correlation, right? So we can just moderate more terms and we can get a result here. Okay. So if you want, I can go for more option. I can go for, you can even explore more. Binomial, Poisson, normal distribution is also there. You can just solve it. Let me try this operations research part also. So in this particular tool, easycalculation.com, lot of option. Can you just see it is there? It's a plethora of tools. You have gamma distribution. If I go to the college level, we have a bell curve. We have critical values. Even students, जैसे जो research analysis कर रहे हैं, they can go for even जो अपना management में sensitivity analysis हो गया, T calculator हो गया, T test हो गया, अपना chi-square हो गया, Z to P converter is also there, right? Yes, exactly, Ankita ma'am. That is a very less relationship. It is amazing tool. Now let me go for one more important tool with all of you. When you go to this calculator, let me show you a very interesting tool on operations research, because I was told that we have faculties who are into operations research also. We have Dijkstra path method, we have Gauss-Jacobi, we even have inventory control method here. We have least cost method, that is the LCM part. Yes, it is possible to solve multiple regression. You can just check it there. We have Modi's method for transportation. We have Vogel approximation. Let me try this assignment problem. I'll show you very interesting one, the assignment problem. This is one of the tools. We all know that assignment problem. Let me take an assignment problem. That means what allocation can be there. Let me take a simple 3x3 matrix. Now I want to check. There are 3 jobs. Let me take more. I can see देखते हैं इसमें कितना हम ले सकते हैं. Let me take 6 matrix. ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मेरे पास 6 लोग हैं और 6 jobs. That means there are 6 people who are working and 6 jobs can be assigned. I have the cost associated with each one. So HR people can also use it. Management people can also use it. Operations people can also use it. Let me take the cost as 26, 32, 25. Let me take 38. Let me take 45. Let me take 28 again. Let me take 26. Let me take 56. Let me take 76. Let me take 43, 45, 29, 24, 13. Let me take 30, 40, 56. I'm just taking random values for all of you so that you know what all can be done. 45, 78, 42, 89, 20, 35, 36, 55, 59, 87, 89, 89 again, 56 again. Let me take 12 or 10. Okay, 12 बाद में ले लेते हैं. Let me take 56, 45, 65 and 37. ठीक है? Now I go to calculate. And simply on the click by the Hungarians method, I can see that first machine can be done by third person, or first man can do the third job, second man can do the fourth job, and so on. And with the fraction of seconds, it is there. And once you just scroll it down, you can also see the calculation part, how it is done. Okay. So by even learn at home, they can practice at home. You can just tell them the concept, and after that they can practice. The most important part is they don't have the access for the books. They don't have the books right now. They are not in the college. They cannot access the libraries. So what they can do is they can just tell them the concept. They can practice this using this tool. So I hope you can just expand. Once you explore it yourself, you will find that amazing tools are there. Calculators में आप जाइए, आपको इतना कुछ मिलेगा उसके अंदर that you will be surprised to know. Even you can go for vector analysis. Even you can go for a set theory. Even you can go for a bisection of triangle. This is applicable for schools also, right? आप schools में bisection algebra देख सकते हैं. अपना, can you see the screen? So many tools are there. इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. Eccentricity निकाल सकते हैं, geometric progression निकाल सकते हैं, root of calculator कर सकते हैं, अपना composite function calculate कर सकते हैं, length of bisector can be there. Okay, lot of tools are there. Let me show you something more. I was asked some question, and let me show you something. Can you see this? मेरे पास अभी एक query आई है from Funso sir. आप देखें कि यहाँ पे multiple regression भी नजर आ रहा है आपको, right? तो आप exponential regression, multiple regression, autocorrelation, all the things are possible in this. So I hope you all have, got some knowledge from these two tools. I hope you like these two tools. Dr. Dev Sena ma'am, can you please say something? Ma'am, I can't hear you, although you are unmuted from our side.
Hello.
Yes, thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
These tools are very useful, and it is very easy by doing this easycalculation.com, ma'am. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. I have actually, I have within this duration, honestly, I have explored so many tools that
yeah.
See, we have what restriction for a limited time. So in future, we'll be having tools, complete sessions for mobile phone also. We'll be doing tools on mobile phones also. Okay, what tools we can have for mobile phones? We just need to install the app and it is done. Oh, okay, Irfan Sheikh sir, you want to say something? Irfan Sheikh sir?
Hello.
Yes sir, please. Sir, can you please switch on the camera?
It's really a wonderful tool. It would be helpful for students and faculty as well.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I would like to extend this program because although we have a time constant, but still if we could manage it 10, 20 minutes more.
Irfan sir, I am not going to stop at 5 o'clock. Don't worry. I will be doing a few more tools because I understand that we have that, curiosity, and Monica and we are discussing that we are going to have series of tools in the series of sessions in future, which we'll be doing on the basis of laptops also and Android also. And today I'll be doing some more tools also with you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. So I'm just sharing one more screen so that you all know. And this is.
Ma'am, you were.
Yes, sir.
You did a FDP program, no, ma'am?
Sorry,
the first one from July. you joined FDP program, no? Which was done by Samuel Johnson.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Okay,
I
ma'am.
was one of the
Thank you.
resource persons there. Dev Sena ma'am, I was also one of the resource persons there. I've done one session with Samuel
Yes,
sir
yes.
also.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me tell you one more tool which
Okay,
I
okay.
personally like very much. I'll show you one screen because I have been taking a paper of numerical analysis with my students. Numerical analysis, it is used for engineering students also. They use this. So I want to share the screen with you. This is one of my tools. I hope you can see this. The tool name is called as desmos.com. I've written on the chat. It's desmos.com.
Desmos.
Yes, desmos.com. It is one of the most important tools for all of us. And I have been using this tool in my classes on a regular basis now with this in this pandemic and these kind of things. There's a mention by the name of math tools. Yes, if you just click it, can you see we have a graphing tool, we have a scientific calculator, we have a 4-function tool, we have a matrix tool, we also have a geometry tool. So I'll just tell you the 2 basic things which I've been using because the time is restriction, because I have to take some more tools also. Let me tell you this scientific calculator part. Once you click this scientific calculator, a complete calculator is there in front of you. You don't need to buy any calculator. You don't need to install it in your phones, anything. And you can see there is ABC function there. You can just write ABC. Click function. You have sine, cos, tan. You also have sine inverse, cos inverse, tangent inverse. Absolute function. Let me try this absolute function of minus 90. And if you can see on the side, the answer is 90. Right? Okay. And let me tell you one more thing. I have lots of tools in there. Let me calculate A ki power B. I want to find the power. I type, let's say, 5 power 9. So you can get an answer 1953125. It's a complete scientific calculator. No need to buy Casio. No need to buy anything. It is there in the system. You can even install this app in your phones. It's there. Okay, I'll tell you one more, very more important thing. Just wait for a second. You know what? Sometimes what is happening that we have to do the calculation in radian and degrees, the trigonometric part. So this particular is talking in radian, the other will talk in degree. Let me check sine. Let me type 90. What I'm getting? I'm getting sine 90 degree, the value is 1. But if I switch to radian, the answer will change. It is 0.89399. That is the pi by 180 shift as what we have learned in the school time. So our engineering students can also learn from there. Okay. Let me tell you one more thing. This is the main part. I'll show you one. I need to find, let's say, pi value is there. Let me take more functions. Let me take nth root. I want to take the 6th root of 56. And the answer is 1.9559. So we can use this tool also. Okay, right? So this is one of the tools. Now people want, supposing we want to have calculation of equations. Okay, in the if you all have heard something by the name of let me tell you, bisection method or Newton-Raphson method, these terms in numerical analysis are there. You want to find solution to equations. I have an equation like this. Let me tell you, equation is, let's say, x ki power 4 plus 5x square. Let me have this equation. 5x ki power 2. Let me have minus 1. I have this equation. Okay. Now I want a solution to this, or I want to put a value to this. Okay, this is the equation. I have this equation, I've drafted this equation. So what I will do, just instead of x, let me put 0. One of my root is let's say 0.335. So instead of x, I just need to point 0.335. And the answer is there as 2532.6248. So this way, the students can work. Let me have like this 50 की जगह हम यहाँ पे 50 into कर देते हैं, 5 into. So just like that, we can have this. Irfan sir, you want to say something?
Yeah, I was just observing the things. Basically, this tool would be helpful for the higher class students because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
for
Actually,
lower class students.
Sir, I'm just told I'm telling you only the first part of it. I'll give you more also.
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll tell you. Because what has happened that I was taking this paper, so students were, interested to know, ma'am, scientific calculator is not available with us. So how to use it or how to work on it? Everybody do not have an access to the market
That's agreed,
also.
but it's not
Yes, and I've told, see, every tool will not be solving every other tool. So you have more tools are there. As I told, the easy calculation part. So you can do the iteration part in easy calculation also. Okay. So by this is the way of telling your scientific calculator. I'll tell you one more out of how to use it. When I click to this graphing calculator, can you see this graphing calculator?
Yeah.
Once you click this graphing calculator, just see what I'm getting. My internet is a bit slow here, so I apologize for that. And you can see this x-axis and y-axis is there. So now the students can visualize the graph. All I need to use is just type the equation of the graph I want to see. Let me type sin x. If I have sin x equal to 0, the answer is there. If I want to have sine, let's say sine inverse x. Okay. Let me have sine inverse x. So let me have in power -1. Sine inverse x is there. So you can see the graph is there. Okay. So I can go for sine inverse x plus 9. Okay. Just see, and you can even zoom it up. You can just zoom it up with your screen. Control plus, the zoom will be available. Let me have one function also. X, you all know it's a straight line. Let me have x ki power 4. The parabola is there. Let me have minus 5x. The function is there. Or you can also have that, the ratio function is also there. Let me have 1 minus x. Okay. Divided, let me have it completely. Let me have a bracket 1 minus x. Okay. Divided by or dividing with 1 plus x. Okay. So we all know that this graph is there. So this is the beauty which we can see. Okay. We can, yes, export it. We can just table it. We can export the image also. That is also possible. It is very much there. We can do it. So you can just try it off, right? And you can see if somebody wants to know that previous example, if a person has forgot how to do it, right? So you can do it. You can just check the previous versions that is available, and you can take a reference, and that can help you out. Supposing if I have forgot how to, line the 2-point form, so I can just click it over there, and you can just work on it, and that is there. So this is the benefit of it. Okay, so you can just try it. The examples are there, the solution is there, so you can just try it. There is no need of going back or something. Okay, we can. And one more thing is that Ajaz sir, just ek minute ruke aap. The one more thing is that if I want to save my graphs, I simply have to create a login. A simple ID has to be created, and by that way you can go for the graph saving also. So that can be shown to the students, and other things can be done. Okay, right? And let me go back. You can have a full screen like this. You can even go for editing. If you want to go for editing at any level, you can do that also. You can delete also if you want to. So a new graph can be there. So all these options are available. So you can just try it. Okay. Power writing ke liye, ma'am, I'll just repeat. Just have to write. Let me show you in the, just say sign, S-I-N. Just type here S-I-N and shift in your keyboard, and above 6 you have this symbol. Okay, just type it and type X here. You will have sign ki power X. Supposing you want sign power 1, so you will type this one for sign power 1. I'll tell you. I'll just show you how to do it. Sign and shift power. I type -1. You will get it. And once you take the arrow niche down mein, you can type X here. Okay. Yes, you can just copy these graphs, but this is possible only when you have the login with you. You just create a login and it will be imported. The entire work can be copy pasted and everything can be done. You can just save the image, or you can just do it. You can see the save as image is also there. So you can just save it also. Okay. But the saving part will be done in your web page if you do not have a login. Login part can be done in that way. Okay. You can also share it. Share the graph. Can you see this on the top? Can you just share? Can you see on the top? Instead of sign up, we have share, right? So we can just share it. Okay, you can just share a graph. You can just share the link. You can also export the image. You can just print also. Lot of options are there. Okay, this is a very simple mathematical graph is there. You just have to write the equation and the graph will be there. Okay, you can also, change the background. Just wait for a second. Okay, so options are there, degree, radian, lot of options can be there. So more and more you explore, the more and more can be there. You can have an image here. You can just take the image. Let me take this image. Lot of things can be done from here. Okay, you can just import the image, take it as a background. You can even have a folder. You can have you can create a folder also for yourself. So I will recommend that whenever you do this one, go for a login, make a login in it, and you will just get everything out there. And this Desmos is also available as an app also. So you can go for that also. App is also available. You can go for that. Okay. So I'll have 2 more tools with you. Just a minute. We have done this easy calculation, and this particular tool, I'm telling it because problem that faculties have is they also do not know how to type the equations. Sometimes when we have to give the presentation, people are having problem in typing the equation also. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So I'm going to tell you how to type equation also. You don't need to install anything. It will be there. So yes, Ajaz sir, please. Sorry, I missed you at that time. Please, sir. Ajaz sir. Ajaz sir, you're saying?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. I just wanted to confirm, can we do linear programming graphs there where we have more than...
Yes, sir. You can definitely do more equations here. No worries.
More than one equation.
I'll just do it. I'll just do it, sir. I'll just show it with you. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. Let me just clarify that doubt also. Don't worry. Just give me a minute. I'll just reshare. I'll just yes. Okay. So can we just type an equation? Let me have x plus y equal to, let me just try this for you. This is the equation. I type enter and let me have this 5x plus 4y equal to 0. Can you see, sir?
Yes, I can see. It's there.
Yes, or you can just simply comma it and just type it.
Okay.
I'll tell you also, sir. It will not work for comma. It will work for only this
separate equations.
Yeah. We have more tools for this also, for solving linear equations, where you just have to just scan it and it is done.
Okay.
I tell you that I tell you they have plethora there, but we have a limitation of this one. Okay. So, okay, one more tool, sir, and then I'll go for this assessment part. How to do the assessment one? This is the last one. Okay. Can you see a simple PowerPoint presentation, please? A simple PowerPoint presentation. Nothing is there. Can you all see that?
Yes, we can see it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
So what we have done is, I have just a simple screen is there. I simply put my cursor here. Nothing one I have done. I have done nothing. I just simply clicked it. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to press Alt symbol, and we have plus and equal to symbol in your keyboards. I repeat, Alt, and with the key in front of backspace, we have plus and equal to symbol. And once we do it, see what we have got. We have got the complete equation editor with us. Shall I repeat again? I repeat for all of you.
No, we got it. Now you proceed with the equation.
I will proceed with the equation, sir. Let me show you how to type the equation. Let me have an equation. I want to write an equation. Let me have like this. We have to type, because people are having problem in even typing the equation also. E ki power x, right? So we can have this. Or if I want to have, we can have a complete set of operators are also there. We can go for a matrix also if I want to write a matrix. Let me show you how to write a matrix also. If I want to have a matrix, let me go for a 2 cross 2 matrix. That is also there. We can go for a 2 cross 2 matrix is there. We have 1, we have 2, we have 6, and we have 5. This matrix is also there. Supposing if I want a border of it, okay, so we can also go for this one. More options are also there. You can also go for a limit symbol. You can also go for a power symbol. You can also go for a sign. You want to go for a bracket, you choose your bracket and you start working on it. Okay, if somebody wants to write the determinant, you can do it also. Fine. So we can have a lot of options are there. Let me show it also. Let me have this bracket. I want this bracket for myself, so I can write here also. So basically we have the complete equation editor possible with this. We can have write a fraction. We can write dy upon dx equal to, we can write, let's say, sin x. Okay, so we can do it. We can have integration symbol, because people have a problem in writing the integration symbol also. We can do integration. We can have definite integral integration, simple integration, contour integration. Lot of options are there. Differential is there. Partial differentiation symbol is there. Radical symbols are there. Operator symbols are there. People do not know how to insert that sigma wala sign. That summation sign is also not possible. So you can just operate it. This operator is there. You can just explore, right? This is all there. Bracket is there. You can also try this symbol. You can write.
Ma'am, does this Alt plus sign work with PowerPoint only, or it works with Word as well? Because I face lot of, let me complete. I face lot of problems while framing the question paper for the students, because I have to put all the symbols there and I can't find those symbols. Then I have to search for internet and copy it from them. There.
So in Word, we have equation editor in the same way. The same way it is there. You can install the pack also. You just go to the add-ins. In add-ins, we have equation editor also there. You can just do it also. Don't worry. You can just find your Google equation editor over there. No worries. You can just find it there. The same way it will work. Same way it will work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
What you can do is just simply, when you have this insert tab now, in insert tab, you go for the simple. I'll show you one more. Just a minute. I'll just show it also. Just a minute, sir. Because it is normally we have in our systems. I'll just show you. Just a minute. How to work with it. Just a minute, sir.
Madam?
Just a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just want to know about calculating the standard deviation. So I'm getting confused. I'm not able to write the formula in the PPT. Since last time I was just typing the PPT, typing the formula in PPT. I could not do that one.
Okay.
It's about a plus b whole square formula, and in that we have to usually for calculating for two securities. For that, I have to put a weight 1, weight 2, and even we have to put the power also. But I could not put that one.
No worries, sir. What do you want, sir? I will help you in that. You want to write the formula for this standard deviation?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm teaching financial management. In that financial management, we have to type to find the required rate of return. For that, I have to type the standard deviation formula, but I could not type that one.
No worries, sir. I'm there for you. When we.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So let me have that. Let me check the symbol of sigma. Can you find sigma there? This is sigma is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sigma is equal. Under the root symbol is there for your help, sir.
Yes.
Right?
That's no issue, madam. I just want to know about that weight 1. I mean that weight to the power 2. Then below it should be 1. Then standard deviation 1 to the power 2. That should be. I just want that one.
I wanted to know this something like suffix and prefix also can also be there, sir. In this
I've
one.
done that third one, ma'am. I've done third one.
The third one.
Yeah, I did it that one, but it's not coming when putting the formula.
I'm just writing randomly, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't worry, sir.
I don't know. Maybe I have some problem, but I have written that one, but it's not working.
No, sir, it will work. Don't worry, sir. It will work. It will work, sir. Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I was telling about, sir asked about the Word document one. I'll share with Word also. Okay, where is my Word document? Okay. Can you see this, sir? My Word document is there for you. I think Irfan has asked me the question, right? Or Ajaz, sir?
It was me, Ajaz. Yes, I can see it in Word.
In Word, we have home, we have file. In insert, we have equation, sir. Above symbol, we have equation. And when you go for equation, you just click it, the complete equation editor is available. I'm having a traditional 2007 version with me. It is there. So you can just type your equation, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I got it. You may please proceed with your presentation.
Okay, no problem, sir. Sir, every question is a part of my presentation now. So it's very thankful that you're asking the questions. You know, this way more people are getting benefit out of it. So I really appreciate students who actually ask a lot of questions. So thank you for that. Okay. So with this, we are majorly done with this one. Now one last tool for all of you. That is on assessment part. Let me come to that. Okay. So, fine. Is it visible?
Not yet.
Not yet. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay. Fine. Is it visible? I'll just do it with you all now again. I think a screen is there by the name of quizzes.
Yes, it's now visible.
Sampling
Okay,
and
sir. Thank you, sir. Please type quizzes.com on your screen. Quizzes.com. Quizzes.com. It is there on the Google. Easily, Google Mata ki jai. It's easily available. Quizzes.com. And one more problem that it was faced, that in Google Forms, in Menti, we were not able to write equations when we have to write a test for a student. How to solve it. And I'm proud to say that this tool is used by all over the world and it is made by Indians. People are using in schools, people are using in colleges, people are using in universities. So quizzes.com is very easy, right? So when you see this tool, quizzes.com, you can simply just sign it up. Sign it up is easy, or you can just create a login, whichever you want to. Now I have a login, so I'll just log in with my email ID. I'm just writing it my email ID because this is useful for the assessment part. Once you have this login, this complete sheet will be there for you, and this login is going to be helpful because it has some pre-made quizzes, some pre-made tests. I will tell you how to make tests and how to write equations. So let me go to straight away the concept of create. Now they are asking us whether we want a multimedia based lecture or we want to make a quiz. You can make anything. I go for a simple quiz because I can import my lesson also over there. I call this as FDP of ICT. I call this as ICT FDP by the name. And let me choose a relevant subject as mathematics. I can go for, let's say, computers, or I can go for others and go to next. Right? Once I'm done with this, this sheet is available. You can create an image for the students. You can make it public, whether you want it to be visible to everybody who is using quizzes, or you want to keep it to yourself. I want to keep it to only myself. So I make it private. I want to make the language. Now I can also change the language. I can change the language not only to English, but to Gujarati also there, Japanese, Korean, Nepali, Punjabi. Let me try Tamil is there or not, or Telugu is there or not. Let me try this. Sanskrit is also there, right? We have Tamil also and we have Telugu also. So you can write your paper in Tamil and Telugu also. There is no restriction of language. Select the grades. Let me make it to professional development, and I make it safe. Okay. So first thing, that it can be used for any language. There is no restriction for language here. Yes, Remy ma'am, please. Miss Remy, you want to say something? Miss Remy? Okay, I think we have lost the connection. Okay, and now the question is, I repeat again, I'll repeat everything again. You go to quizzes.com, create your login, then go to create. They will ask us two options, whether you want to make a presentation or you want to make a quiz. Right now I'm making a quiz because I can make lectures whichever way I want to. They are full of animations. After that, once I go to this one, I get this sheet, I go for this private. First of all, you have to make sure whether you want to make it open for public or private. Right now I'm making a trial one, so I'll make it private only. Then I want to change the language. So I can change the language also. So a lot of languages are available. You can have like Bengali, you can have like Chinese, you can have like French, you can even have Tamil, Telugu language also there, Punjabi, Marathi is also there. A lot of options are there. After that, go for this course, whichever course you want to choose, you go for that. That is, I've chosen is professional development. Okay, I'll do it, sir. I'll do it. Vekanand sir, I'll do it. Don't worry, sir. I'll do it. Okay. After that, I want to choose whether I want a checkbox or a fill in the blank. I can also go for a polling. I can also go for an open-ended. I can also go for a slide one. Now people will ask you, ma'am, what is the difference between Menti and this one? What is the difference between Google Slide and this one? Now I'll tell you the difference. Let me try this question. And as you can see, there is an application. I can simply see in my phone also. Okay. So I write this question as, what is the color of sky? Okay. And you can see the right side, you can easily see the, the presentation part is there. You all will be doing this quiz also. So just wait and watch, and after that you will understand what is happening. So I will request a bit patience in this. I will say answer number 1. What is the color of the sky? I can also write a math equation. I can also add image. I can also add audio. I can also add video to it. Okay. Answer number 1 is blue. Okay. Answer number 2, I can change the font. I can make it color, or I can just write this suffix, super suffix, or I can write math equation. Let me write the math equation, and again a complete mathematical equation editor is visible to us. Let me write a square. Let me write it for all of you. Let me have a square plus modulus of, let's say, x, or minus, let me have integration of yx of fx. I'm just writing it randomly for you so that you can understand that what is happening. Okay, and after that, go to insert. Equation is, if I want, I can go for an image. Let me have this image. Let me have this image. I can go for insert. It is there, uploading. I can with this. Can you see that all the options are there? Now I want to have this assessment also. So I can even go for explanation answer. I can get a fun topic, fun explanation. Now I want a time allotted. I don't want my students to look here and there, refer anywhere. I give them only 10 seconds to answer this question, so I can have a timer also. I do not need to switch it off, switch it on. It is going to do it automatically. Okay. And after that, what more is there? I want to go for a save. Okay. If I select this blue part, if I select this blue part, this is going to be the answer. So the people who are going to select this, you can even, so don't need to go for a checking also. We are relaxed. As a teacher, we are relaxed. So what we can insert a media, we can insert math equation, we can insert functions, we can insert anything we want to. And even we can give timer, just as Ajaz sir, we can even give a timer also. And after that, we can just select to give what is answer. Yes, Ajaz sir, please continue, sir.
Sorry to disturb you again. Last month we had online multiple choice examination of our students, and we faced a lot of problems.
Yes, sir.
Because there was not one option available with the Google Forms, because we used to send it online through
Yes.
Google Forms only, and
This
that
is
was
one of the answers you can get it here.
auto submit. Auto submit is something like, if I total allotted time is 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if student has not pressed the submit button, still it will get submitted. But in Google Forms, we faced this problem. There was no auto submit. So if a student was unable to submit within the stipulated time, we don't have any of his responses.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you do you have any solution for this?
Yes, so this is the flaw that we also have faced it, and that is why we switched on to another websites to check on it, because here we have even a timer for individual questions. We don't have to go for all the questions are done, because what is happening once in Google, if we have allotted 30 minutes, for example, once the student has done all the questions, he cannot submit. In this particular thing, you can even submit in between also. I'll just do it with you, so you can just use it also. Just wait for a minute. Okay, just wait for a second, sir.
Okay.
Once we have saved, so what we can do is, I can just say done. Once I'm done, let me have the questions. I have done all the things. Now I can even give as an assignment, as a time based, or even I can start a live quiz. So what we can do is, when I go for this live quiz, so what I can do is, I can put in the answers. I can go for a preview also. Okay. So if I go for a preview, the quiz will be there in front of you. I'm going to give one quiz to all of you right now. If I say start, right, so people, once I'm going to share this link, this pop-up is going to come. Okay. And if I say the answer as this one, so I have lost the mark. Okay. And I'm going to get this animation. and I'm scored on the 16th position. My quiz is done. Okay. If I go for, let's say, this one, now, so you can just work on it. So this is the fun of it. So I request all of you to just try this quiz, because this trial part is going to solve all your queries also. This is the last part from my side, and I'll just take 5-7 minutes from all of you so that you can just do it. And as you can see on the left hand side, my library is there. I can also tell you one thing. I can, if you can see is, these all quizzes are there for me. And can you see? These all quizzes I have taken care. I've also done it in my classes. Statistics, basic mathematics, permutation, aptitude, introductory statistics. These quizzes I've already done. You can also have the report of a particular quiz. All those quiz that has been taken. Let me just show you. If this is histogram, this quiz is there. You know, I can even email to the parents. I can download it to an Excel file. I can print it. I can even see what all questions were there. What was the overview of a particular one sheet? What topic was there? We all can do that. I can even separate my classes. I can even connect it to my Google Classroom. All that can be done, right? So when I go to explore part, they have quizzes ready-made. They are so novel people in the world who have made quizzes. So you just switch the topic, just search the topic, and it is there for all of you. So one quiz I'm going to take with all of you. So I hope you all are ready. I hope you all are ready. Yes or no, my students?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, everybody's here.
So this is the last part of today's FDP. So I'm starting a live quiz. I'm just showing a classical part, and let me just start it, and let's see what is happening. I go to this quiz. I think my net is stopped. Just a minute. It's there. Okay. I'll just play it for you. Okay, so all of you just type the question. All of you just type on your board, joinmyquiz.com. Just type joinmyquiz.com. Just give me a second. My network is just fluctuating. Just give me a second. I'll just share it with you. Just give me a second. Then I'll start the quiz. Okay. Okay, I think my screen is not visible till now.
Yeah, it's not.
Just give me a minute. Just a second, ma'am. Just
Not
a second.
visible, ma'am.
Start with you all. Just a second. Just give me a second, please. Okay, yes, I'm back, and I'm sharing the screen with all of you. Okay, so just type on your phones, on your laptops, on an Android device, iOS, just type joinmyquiz.com and write the code. I can also share it through my Google Classroom also.
Yeah, that would be
Do we have any link for this, or we'll just go in quiz.com and
Just type it, sir. Just type it. I have one student. Harshali Patil is there with me.
start a live quiz. I have just.
Yes, sir. It's a live quiz.
If you could send a link, sir, it would be easy for us.
Sure. I'll just share it. I'm just sharing. I think all of you have got it now. Oh, we have two good participants, Harshali and Suchitra. Thank you for joining. Oh, Sunita ma'am is also there.
I think
Subramanian
enter
sir,
your
go
name
ahead.
as
I hope we have more participation rather than that menti wala part. Please start joining. I can see, and you all can see the pop-ups.
okay. Do I have to now answer?
No, you will not answer unless I start.
Okay.
Okay. Basically, ours is 20 here. That's why we are a little bit slow. So we.
No, sir, no worries, sir. Because I will expect at least out of 40, at least 35 should join.
Do I have to write a name here?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Irfan sir. Yes, Irfan sir. You need to type IRFAN and.
Yeah, Karan,
You have to
Savya.
write your name. You have to write your name.
Sorry, Mr. Ajas, may I know you where from you are? Because you have been so much participating in the session.
Thank you. I'm from India.
Okay.
And I would like to know that which two people were talking so that I know that my students are actually interacting in the class.
Requesting all of you to please join as soon as possible because we are running out of time. It's already 5:40.
Okay, Skornish. You're playing with 7 other players. Okay, what next?
What next? Just wait for a few more minutes so that more people can join.
18 people are there, I think.
There are 19 only. You can see the dashboard. You can also see that you joined or not. Monica, you also join.
Meanwhile,
Yes,
may
sir, I
I,
will also join.
meanwhile, ma'am, may I ask one question?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
I have not registered. I need to register because link. I just received the link like today only, and I couldn't register. I need to register.
Yes, sir. That one we will talk on later on.
Okay.
Yes.
Not able to join.
Ambika ma'am, Anita ma'am is finding some problem.
Anita ma'am, please type joinmyquiz.com or you can just simply click on the link which I have sent. Just click on the link and write your name inside it. Everything will be done.
Sorry, business school.
I'll just wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start.
Yes.
No worries, no worries.
So that more, see, you will also see your, your answers. You will also see your performance. So that excites the students a lot.
I cannot assure my performance, but although it was a good program.
But I definitely want Irfan sir that please you need to answer some questions incorrectly so that you will see both the parts, correct part as well as incorrect part.
You cannot expect me the correct part.
Actually, everybody is expecting Irfan sir to be on the top.
Please, only 23 members have joined, requesting all of you to join as soon as possible. Anita ma'am, is the
Monica, they will not be getting certificates if they don't join it.
Yeah, that is what I'm making a note of that.
I'll share to all of you. You will not be getting your certificate if you will not be joining. What next to do? Mrinalini ma'am, wait for a minute so that everybody can start. Can we start? Ma'am, we will not be giving certificates to others. Okay?
Vivekanandan sir is telling he is having some problem due to network issue. Should we mark it as an excuse?
No excuse because it happens with all the students.
Yeah, I can understand. Mrinalini ma'am, I have typed my name, but it is not coming.
Don't worry, it will come. I'll start the quiz. Shall I start now? I think it will take 10 minutes.
Start.
Okay, I'm starting. See, the certificate part has worked.
24. The moment the certificate word is coming, 24. That's good. Ambika ma'am, we can wait for 2 minutes.
I would request our organizers to kindly, show result individually.
Sure, you will get it, sir. You will get it. Please, sir.
Irfan sir,
Yes, because
Irfan sir is worried he may secure 0. That's why he's
That's
asking.
true.
I'm starting the quiz. All
that's
the
why I
best
did
to
the first from the bottom.
starting the quiz.
Please do it fast. Please mute yourself.
Follow that word.
I don't need to do anything. I'm just sitting relaxed. I've done my work. Wow, my participants are so good.
Nadia ma'am, good.
Type your answer. 7 and 10.
Oh my God, we have a huge.
Wow, Vishal sir, that's
Nadia ma'am.
great.
Where are the questions? I did not see the questions.
Chandan sir, that's great. Mayank sir, keep it up. Sunita ma'am, great.
I just click it on my answer. Do I need to press any other button?
Where is the questions? I cannot see the questions even.
That is 3 points. 3 plus what is equal to 7? This is the question.
Where is question? There is no question on my screen.
Ambika ma'am, if you can just help out. Sunita ma'am, good.
Question started.
Ma'am, do I have to press anything else other than the answer?
You can do it.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Vijayashri ma'am, keep it up. Aisha ma'am, good.
Ambika ma'am, do you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? I have just crossed the my answer. What is my answer? Do I need to press any other button because nothing is now coming on my screen? It's stuck on the question number 1.
Over there
5.
because they are responding well. So there may be a light network issue from your side. Don't worry. Just simply refresh it. It will work.
All the above addition.
Madam, I didn't
Ambika
get
ma'am, if we
a
can
question,
help
ma'am.
Anita ma'am.
Yeah, now it is coming.
That's great, Anita ma'am. Mudasir sir,
I didn't
that's
get
great.
question, madam.
लिखना कहाँ पे इसको? 15.
Okay,
Where
let's
I
see,
am right. 7, 8 is 15.
Ambika ma'am, the points are rising as if it is a share market.
Yes. This is the best part of this game.
9.
Madam, I didn't get a question, ma'am. Still, I'm getting confusion here, ma'am.
Yes, there is some problem in network.
Chat who is having a problem.
Please make it on the chat. Whosoever is having the problem.
Sunita ma'am is on the top.
That's great, Sunita ma'am. Keep it up.
Oh, we have Harshali Patil on the first.
Attempt a question.
Yes.
I just received.
Ambika
Ma'am,
ma'am,
I
Kavita ma'am is
just
facing some
there are
problems.
only 2 questions that I could see. Their screen is not moving.
Mega ma'am is stuck. I guess some network issue must be there.
I am not getting anything now. Even
I'm not at least failing, that's for sure, Mr. Ejaz.
Yes, what?
At least I'm not failing.
That's good.
No, that's okay. My prayers are working that you are qualifying, sir.
Count the
Suchitra
total
ma'am, that's good. Subramaniam sir, Mayank, good. Vibha ma'am, that's great.
I don't know. I just received this select the picture shows more.
I'll stop it when I get top 15.
9710, Nanda.
I didn't see question also, madam. Hello?
There, I don't know. There is some kind of problem in network.
I guess some network issue must be there in doing this.
Actually, most
Just
people are
doing-
not familiar with this all, so that it may be their first attempt.
That is the main consequences of this
Mr. Ejaz, we
network.
can accept your,
Suchitra ma'am, please
having
continue.
familiarity with these all software tools.
Aisha ma'am completed. That's good.
Mega Ashmankar.
Monica ma'am, shall I stop or shall I wait for 1 minute more?
Ma'am, our students are doing a lot of effort. We should wait for more 2 minutes. Only 2
I don't know what
minutes.
happened. I have left from this.
Nadia ma'am is also about to complete. Nadia ma'am, please.
Ma'am, Vivekanand also completed.
Wow, great.
I'm ending the quiz because I have got my
Score 9710, Vijaya ma'am.
So I'm ending it. Shall I end it?
Yes.
Rank. Stop ma'am now.
I could see the end. That's all.
That's all. Okay. What all you can see on the screen?
It's my result.
It's your
I am
result.
failing.
Yes. We have got in number 1.
Who is the host? I missed some network issue.
I hope you all can see.
Harshali Patil, that's great. Second, Chandan sir.
Ambika
Third,
ma'am,
Sashikala ma'am.
I think network won.
And I can see, can you see this?
I can guess there was a conspiracy against
Show
me.
you
I
something
could
very
have, I
interesting.
could have scored more.
Let me show you something very interesting. Harshali has answered the first question in 2 seconds, second question in 6 seconds, next in 16 seconds. So answer is also
Congratulations, Dr. Harshali Patil ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I hope you have liked this session and you have learned the tools.
Yeah,
We
nice.
are doing
It
more
was
sessions
interesting section.
Interesting.
and more tools
Interesting.
sessions.
Yeah.
Thank you all from my side. Monica, please continue.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, each one of you. And let me know, Subramaniam sir, I just want to know from you, how was the last session? I mean, last 3-minute session. Subramaniam sir, please.
Yeah, it's very nice, ma'am. Very interesting. I really enjoy.
Devsena ma'am, want to know from you. Devsena ma'am, you are mute. Yeah. Okay, ma'am is typing. Anita ma'am, how was the session?
Yeah, it was very informative. I really learned, and especially the quiz part. It was really very nice.
I was
Wanted
just
to
having
make
a
one
look
like
at you all were playing. I mean, you had all participated as a small kid. Irfan
Yes,
sir, how
correct.
was it?
It was all interesting. I would like to now to know each other because it was at the end of the day, end of the lecture. It was very interesting.
I
before
can
we-
understand.
before we
Mega
leave
ma'am,
this
how was it?
conversation-
It is very nice and interesting.
Thank you so much. Prabhat sir, this was the second FGP program what you had attended with us. So how was that session?
Yeah, that was very much nice. Actually,
Thank you.
Ambika ma'am was very much explaining nicely those sessions.
Yes. So requesting all of you, if you all can come once more for the selfie wala time, so that we can also have the click of the winner with us. Please,
Ma'am,
if you
I have-
all can
before
open.
you-
Yes, Rimi ma'am, that's great.
Before you do that, I have a suggestion that I wanted to put across.
Yeah, please do.
Please share a WhatsApp group link so that all we people who were present today, we can have a WhatsApp group where we can now proceed onwards. And if there are some other FDPs of this kind, we may attend them. And at the same time, we get to know each other because it's very healthy when we talk, when teaching fraternity talks to one another in these situations. We can help
That's
each
nice
other. And we
suggestion,
can-
sir. We always used to have, in this lockdown, we had completed our 4 EDP programs and 2 FDP programs. One we had completed for 5 FDP program based on SPSS tools. And we had many more such projects which are coming up. So we will keep on updating you.
Thank you.
Yes. So Sashikala ma'am, if you can just please put your video on Fatafat Wala, because it's already, we had done it for 4 to 5 p.m. but it's almost to 6 p.m. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Yes, requesting all of you, if you can just please join us as soon as possible. Devsena ma'am, Nadia ma'am, Bindya ma'am.
Ajaz sir, I would like to see your face because.
Yeah, Ajaz sir, even I also want to see. That's great, Ajaz sir.
Me here. Thank you.
I also am very interested to know that which student was there with me.
Sajida ma'am, Sunita ma'am, thank you. Tabia ma'am, please, if you can just join us. Mrinalini ma'am. Yes, now all us selfie wala click. Subramaniam sir, no issues. We all know that this is the COVID time and we need a mask on our face. That's good. Fine. All of you, please give a good wala smile. Thank you, each one of you. Yes, Vivekanandan sir, always smiling.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ambika ma'am, I just want to tell you, we had some participants from outside India too. So as you know, Anita ma'am is outside of our country, and we are also having Funso sir. You won't believe, he was just after कि ma'am मुझे कैसे भी join करना है.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so
I
much.
was facing problem, madam. While
Just
joining.
Thank you, Aisha ma'am, for joining us, and requesting all of you to be in touch so that I will be updating you of our upcoming events. And thanks specifically to Ambika ma'am who had taken the initiative कि मोनिका मुझे तो session करना है.
One request. I would.
Yeah, Jaj sir, please tell me.
You, Irfan sir, to please show on their camera if he can just on, because we want to see the Irfan sir as well, because he has been very.
That's great. That's great. So
Thank you, Nicholas.
thank you, Ambika ma'am, giving you the vote of thanks. I'm very privileged that yes, we are having you with us, and you had really made us just like a kid. कि नहीं हमें तो first होना है in the last quiz वाला part. And congratulations to all the 27 participants. We are only going to give the certificates to the 27 participants who had joined in that particular quiz. Is it okay?
No, we request.
Or I think Mr.
Hello.
We will I can understand.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Give the certificate
Yeah.
to all 41.
Yeah.
I think.
Ji
I think.
I hope there was a mass answers. That was the network was telling कि नहीं रहने दो.
For that, we should have also a quiz whether we should certification go for all or not.
No, sir. We will absolutely providing the certificate within 3 working days of the 3 working days. So please give us the time. And thank you, Sashikala ma'am.
But ma'am, because we don't have registered, if you can please.
I will take care of it, sir. I will take care of it. We can connect it on the WhatsApp. You can just. Yeah, हाँ, Anita ma'am, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
Yes, one more request. Please send the link little early because it was only 5 minutes early, 10 minutes early.
Ma'am, you can just check your mail. Ma'am, you can just check your mail.
I was checking the mail only. Before 1 hour, the link was not there. Then they are selling, they will be sending later.
No, madam.
Okay, you are talking about that. Okay, fine. I will take care.
Mail also that why you did not send the link, please.
On the 4th September.
WhatsApp would be better.
I will take care. I will take care of it, Vivekanand sir. And I shared my number. So who are not registered, if you can just please contact me on my WhatsApp so that it will be easy for me to take care of it.
Please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, each one of you. Now, please have evening tea at your own place. Thank you, Chandra sir.
Very good evening to Ambika ma'am. Thank you very much, Monica ji. And it was a brilliant session, enjoyed by one and all. And apart from our certificates, I think at least the first 3 quiz winners would get some special prizes.
I will take care of it, sir. that one will be taken care by Ambika ma'am.
Ambika ma'am, yes, because she was a great quiz master. Okay.
Fine. Thank you so much, Ambika ma'am. Thank you, each one of you.
Thank you.
Madam, can I have a word with Ambika, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam, can I have the suggestions from? Can we mail it to you and then get the suggestions from?
Sure, sir. I have given my mail ID.
Yes,
so
madam.
you can reply me there. And as I was having a word with Monica, we are going to have more sessions with specific subjects also, because I have given you 2 tools, and more tools are there. They will be dealing in detail on specific topics also. And as I told you, yes, sir, we'll be doing tools on the. Then I will also tell you about the open board tools also, because teacher were having problem for writing the equation, not only typing but how to write also. So I will also tell you how to make your own stylus.
Yes, madam. Almost.
We will take care of it. We will take care of it, Vivekanand sir. Chandra sir, we will take care of it. Thank you, each one of you.